this is the church of so the cathedral of the Velay, and here you can see all the waters, you know, the central water of the church, and this is the big water of the transept, and you can see the crossings everywhere, a lot of crossing. It's very powerful. It's a very, very powerful place. And
the red are geological faults. So you have the water veins and the faults for the earth energies.
Mostly they are that. And these are the vortex generated by the water, the faults, and also the geometry. But this place was destroyed. We have to say that
this is
part of the nave was destroyed and rebuilt. It's for that reason that it's a little bit twist. It's not very straight, and so you can see a very nice chakra path. So it's here you have the red vortex, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, clear blue for the throat, then the blue one, then the violet, and you have also the golden energy of the apse. This is one of the characteristic of the Black Madonnas. They have or a golden energy, or they have a very strong red first chakra energy. You can see now we are going to see a little bit of the geometry of the place. Here you can see two things. You know, for the outer envelope of the church, you can see that this rectangle, which is around all the church, and it is a golden mean rectangle. And then you can see another rectangle here, which is the classical rectangle of the energies of the place, called the solstice rectangle, that is not taking the apse, which is normal. It's a normal thing. And after that, you can see here the apse. It's a solstitial rectangle of the place, the rhythm of the sun of the place here, and here too. In that place, I couldn't determine because it was destroyed and rebuilt, and we don't know what they wanted to do there. Here you have the geometry of the transept, which is a golden rectangle here. Then you have the Jerusalem rhythm of the sun, the Jerusalem rectangle. It's a classical thing, you know. And here you have a square of the mother for the transept. And then you have the nave. The nave is made by 3 solstitial rectangles. So one is here, you can see the second and the third. And then we're going to see this one. And here you can see that the three solstitial rectangle, they make what we call a double square. So the master builder of this place was a pretty good one. And it did. Here you have the nave. I've shown here 1 solstitial rectangle, 2 solstitial rectangle, and this is the narthex. So But these two solstitial rectangles here, they have these. Here you have the solstitial rectangle here, four. Here for the bas-côté, we say that, the sides of the cathedral, and here these rectangles are what we call the 3, 4, 5 rectangles that have a very calm and nice energy. So this is the structure of the cathedral that you can see.
And so what does that do overall to have all that geometry?
That makes that all the geometry, all the points, because these points that you can see here, we are going to say they are wild. If we can say that they are wild, means that they are not very adjusted, means they are not well calibrated to match with the energies of the body, because the game here is to make that the energies of the place match with the energies of the body, and that the energies of the place, they help to recalibrate the energies of the body. So when you make these
so when you walk
when you walk along there, what you are doing is you are recalibrating your energies, the energies of your body. And of course, it begins by the first chakra, the second, the third, the fourth, etc. And you arrive to the seventh, and sometimes you have the gift of a healing place, like this one with the golden energy of this dolmen that is underneath, okay, and that is a very strong, but it's not only strong, it has a very good energy, and you feel when you stay on that. Normally you are not allowed, you are not allowed to stay here, but I go there and I try to see if the energy is okay, if it works well, if etc. And so when you are here in front of the altar, you can feel the energy coming through your feet and the hands, and feeding your body, healing your body.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not surprised feeling that the woman, the legend of the old woman with the fever that was healed there.
Mm-hmm.
So what we have to say about this place also is that this place is the place which is the first church to begin the Compostela Trail. This is the traditional beginning of the Compostela Trail from Le Puy-en-Velay to Compostela in Spain, and this is the place where the first bishop Gotescalc in 950 began his trip to go to Compostela, because the abbot of Cluny asked him to go there to see what was going on with the Benedictines monasteries in Spain, and the problem with the Muslims, etc., etc. So this is a very, very important place in France. So as I told you, it's the first shrine of Mary, and it's also the beginning of the Compostela Trail. So it's so important that they did so this um,
Statue.
this statue was done with the iron of the cannons of the Sebastopol battle in the 19th century, at the end of the 19th century. And when they took the cannons, they melt the cannons, and they did the statue of Notre Dame de France.